Good morning, everyone. It is Friday and we are doing indoor camping again today. So we're looking forward to that whenever we're done with everything. We've got dishwasher going right now. By the way, this right here, clean, dirty, is one of the best Amazon investments I have ever made, like ever, because it helps so much. You would not believe how much that helps. We have the washer going. We have not a lot to do in here. While we were setting the bed up, we had to just like leave all of the comforters and things on the couch, and that was again an overnight process, so that kind of delayed us a little bit in laundry. So we're kind of gonna get caught up on laundry today before we set everything up. But as you saw last time, this whole area has to be swept, put blankets down and little towels on the ends of each of the tent poles down to set up. We could do a blanket fort. I mean, we really could. We could do a blanket fort instead, but it's just really nice for them to be able to be in a tent. And it just makes it a little more special for them. So we're gonna do a tent and set that up for them tonight. And we maybe do some little fun extra things this time. Last time it was definitely just more about they wanted to just be in the tent. They wanted to take their friends in the tent while they were FaceTiming their friends and spending time with their friends. We may do something different other than just watching Bunked. We may watch something else instead now that we have Disney Plus. This is what coffee looks like on camping day. This is my absolute favorite mug right now, other than like my Disney mugs and travel mugs. I added heavy whipping cream, and Torani's has a s'mores flavor because, I mean, when you're camping, s'mores flavor is the best, right? Two of the girls have finished for the day, so we are gonna start our living room cleanup to get ready for setting the tents up in the living room tonight. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
So it's day 2 of indoor camping, and we're gonna do a little scavenger hunt for them. It's about 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks. Yeah, it's 2 weeks after Easter. 2 weeks after Easter, I found our Easter eggs. So what we did was we put little action cards in 20 of the eggs. There's 3 of them. Divide that up. They each gotta find 6 eggs. When they find them, we're gonna start a Toy Story marathon, but they have to turn in the 6 eggs to get to watch it, and they have to do the actions on the cards to earn to watch it, kind of like paying their tickets to get to go see it, while this handsome, amazing guy, he's handsome, is going to make breakfast. What's on the menu today?
I'm thinking pancakes, eggs, and some bacon.
And coffee?
And coffee.
Always coffee?
Always coffee.
Always coffee. So I've locked all the girls. Well, I didn't lock them. I put all the girls in the office. It's in one room. I don't want them just like hunting eggs. And I didn't want them in my room. So I'm gonna hide the eggs. And then they're gonna do the last 2 eggs together. And we're gonna do a scavenger hunt. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
One for you. One for you. Yes, I know there might still be candy in here. I don't know whose it is. And one for you. I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We're going to do, if we were camping, we could do a nature scavenger hunt. Well, for one, it's kind of rainy today, and for 2, we're doing indoor camping. So we're doing an Easter egg scavenger hunt. What you're gonna do is, there are 20 eggs. So all of you have to find 2 of the eggs together. Then each of you has to find 6 eggs each. In the eggs are little note cards. You have to do whatever's on the note card to turn in your eggs. When you have each turned in 6 eggs and you all have turned in together 2 eggs, then those will be your ticket to get to watch Toy Story today. So, no pushing. Let's play nice. If the room has a light on, there is an egg in it.
Hi. There's an egg in here. There's an egg in here. Found one.
What's on your card? You have to bring it to me. You have to open it in front of me. Make someone smile. So put the note in there. Make somebody smile.
Really?
Okay,
Sarah.
you found an egg. What does your note say?
Cluck like a chicken.
You can thank Dad for that one. Alright, put it in your bucket and cluck like a chicken. No, give me a little more effort. You have to open the eggs in front of me if you find them.
Oh, look.
What does your first egg say?
Give Dad a hug.
Wow, I wonder who wrote that one.
Look.
I bet on one that anonymously was written will say, hey, make a bad pun.
Say something nice to the closest
I'm going to
person
look.
you.
Say something nice to the closest person to you.
Thank you for setting this up.
You're very welcome. Alright, read your next one.
Give Chubby a treat. Chubby, you want a treat? Chubby, you want a treat?
Thank you.
Come on, Chubby. You want a treat? You want a treat? Ooh, you want a treat? Fill out thank you card for friends.
Go find one of our thank you cards and write one sentence that's a nice sentence for one of your friends and we'll mail it, okay?
My turn. I already have 2 eggs.
Okay, one at a time.
Come on, you can open that one. Draw a picture with dots, like this.
See how you can make a
about
heart
this
with
one?
dots? So before you can open your next egg, go draw a picture using dots. You can use the craft supplies in the office. What's your next egg?
Find 3 different squares. 1, 2,
Nope.
3.
You have to pick something up and bring it to me.
I can't pick up the floor.
Then find a different square. That's a rectangle.
Aren't they the same kind of?
No!
If an oval
Madeline,
is a circle.
I'll give you a hint. There's some in the living room.
Rag?
All right, that's a sock rag, a pot holder. That's 2. Now bring me a third.
I see one over here.
He said over here. That's a rectangle. Go to Dad. That's 3. Very good. Now you can open your next egg.
Let's see. What do you think will be in your egg? Crawl like a crab 10 steps. Oh, that's easy.
Okay, come in the kitchen. Glad you got that one. What's yours?
Tell one joke.
Go to Dad.
Huh. I wonder who wrote that
That was
one.
me, actually. Tell Dad one joke. And Rebecca's gonna crawl like a crab while you tell the joke.
1,
You gotta get better at making fish puns.
4, 5, 6, 7. Go away, dog. 8, 9, 10. Come on, let's open it.
You found another shiny one?
Yep. Say something nice to each sister. All right.
You found one of our thank you cards. Can you go fill it out for a friend?
Hi.
What's your egg say?
Let's see. Find 3 yellow things.
You have to find 3 things and bring them to me. That's 1. That's 2.
I can't bring this one to you.
You can bring something yellow to me. Look down. On you.
3.
How many have you found?
6. Well, I found one more, but I...
You have to wait for your sisters?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait for them to get done. Sarah's doing a long one. She's writing a thank you card for a friend.
I'm planning on doing my 7th one.
What'd you find?
The one that says give everyone a fist bump. I thought about getting Baymax and having him do it.
Give me a fist bump. Get your card out of the floor because you have to turn the papers in too. Pick a stuffed animal to hug.
GG.
Here, Lily, you can open it. How like a rabbit 10 times. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna recook this. I'm spinning. Hey, she found it. I'm spinning my little kitty in my Easter egg box. Then when Sarah's done, I'll find an egg with her.
Cool. Are you having fun?
Now you're finding out.
What's it say? You found another pink one.
And it's a shiny pink one.
It is so shiny. What's it say? What's it say?
Find 3 Disney stuffed animals you own. That's easy.
You own means they have to be yours. First one.
Tinkerbell.
Next one.
And I lost her name.
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel.
And Moana.
Yeah.
All right, go find more. Find the last 2 eggs together.
Hi. Wait, we just found one, so shouldn't we take it?
What's it say?
Send a postcard to a friend. Come on, we can write one together.
In here, and it's not on anybody's bed. And it says,
But wait, it's not the shiny gold one.
it's okay. What does it say?
Draw a Mickey head. Come on, let's draw one together. I'll draw the ears. I'll draw the head. Head. It's pink.
Excellent job. You know what it's time for?
Movie!
You all turned in your tickets, so now you get to watch a movie. And we're going to watch...
Movie ticket. We're going to watch Toy Story 4.
Nope, we're going to start at number 1 because she's never seen Toy Story before.
Actually...
Oh, you saw it at Grandma's.
Yeah.
But I thought it'd be fun to start at the beginning and work our way through.
I can barely remember. Are we eating breakfast first?
Breakfast is still making. You can start your movie and pause it. And we'll watch the movie. And then after the first movie, we'll do another craft, okay?
Hi.
Alright, what'd you get?
Write 3 activities to do with Mom.
This is so, as we do more movie parties and things, I have a list of ideas for things that you want to do. We finished watching the first 3 Toy Stories, and it's kind of rainy, so we're gonna just stay in. And we're fixing to watch Toy Story 4 for the first time ever. First time 4? First time ever?
Hi.
You excited?
Hi.
You look so excited. There you go. Okay, happy campers, what did you think of Toy Story 4? No spoilers, what did you think of Toy Story 4?
There were some creepy parts.
Yeah, there were some creepy parts.
Creepy parts that are going to haunt my sleep tonight.
Rebecca, what did you think? Look at me.
Getting another blanket.
But hey, what did you think though?
You know, creepy toys. Great.
Creepy? So microwave s'mores are not as good as, say, camp roasted s'mores, but when it's rainy outside and your camping plans get canceled, you can still do s'mores inside. So basically, all that I'm doing is, I'll do one on here right now. I'm taking the graham cracker, putting the marshmallow on it, and then I'm gonna melt it for a couple seconds in the microwave, one for each child. Then I'll put chocolate on it, fold them together, and hand them out to the kiddos. So that's how we do them whenever we can't get outside but want to do s'mores. So let's put a couple of these on the plate, nuke them, and then we'll show you what they look like.